In a remote mountain village, a severe storm caused a massive landslide, blocking the main road and trapping the villagers. The situation was dire, as essential supplies were cut off, and a pregnant woman needed urgent medical attention. Amidst the chaos, Priya, a young doctor who had recently moved to the village, stepped up. She quickly assessed the situation and devised a plan. Gathering a few brave villagers, she organized a rescue team. They decided to navigate through an old, treacherous forest path that was still open but extremely dangerous. As night fell, the team set out, battling heavy rain and slippery terrain. Priya led the way, her medical kit slung over her shoulder. After hours of arduous trekking, they reached the nearest town and secured the needed medical supplies and help. Returning to the village just before dawn, Priya and the team immediately attended to the pregnant woman, ensuring her safe delivery. The villagers, moved by Priya's courage and leadership, celebrated the birth of a healthy baby boy. Priya's quick thinking and bravery not only saved lives, but also strengthened the village's sense of unity and resilience, proving that even in the darkest times, hope and determination can light the way.